Hi everyone, Sunshine Annie here, looking at my DIY composition book, Plan With Me for November. This is what the first layout page looked like for November with my calendar. This was last week's page. Last week was kind of a busy week, so had a lot going on. We had a dinner at my mother-in-law's place. I had a doctor's appointment Monday, but I had, worked half a day. We had a workshop day, so we didn't have kids. We had our early release. We had a pet emergency from my mother-in-law, so that kind of was crazy for Wednesday and Thursday because they decided to head back early. We had no school for Veterans Day. I had a hair appointment that day, and yesterday I did some cleaning, and my husband and one of my sons and his girlfriend went to clean up my mother-in-law's place. But this is what it looked like. I decided to do some flowers and mushrooms, and my color palette has been going to this kind of salmon-y pink. I'm not sure why I'm drawn to it right now, and that kind of sagey green. I did the leaf garlands got into my head. So this next week, I've already started for this week, which is November the 12th through the 18th. And we're starting to get up on Thanksgiving, and that's going to be this page. So what my situation is that I'm looking at, I had wanted to leave this part open to do a 2 spread for Thanksgiving, and I forgot when I started doing the layout. So what's going to happen instead is I'm going to do these outside edges, and I just decided, Thanksgiving, it's usually hectic. It's busy. You're trying to spend time with family. I don't know too many people who are going to be able to take the time to sit down and draw or do doodles or do whatever. So I decided that this week, because it's going to be attached to this page, I would make it simple, put in some washi tape. I've got stickers that I'm going to stick in. And so I did a little doodling. I'll probably do one more little doodle here. I might put a sticker here. But I'm going to just do stickers down the side and color in some of these things. So while I'm doing that, I did pick a brown, but I think I'm going to change to more of this yellowy gold. I have these from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still have them, but oh, there we go. That's what they look like up close on white. And I had already chosen this. I think it kind of looks like a little window, and it has a little bird, and it does have a sentiment on it that says, so very grateful. And where that's kind of my theme, I don't mind if it's covering some of this. That's fine. I also have these leaves that I've had forever, and I'm all about using up what I have. So I am going to put there. And the other one I liked was, oh, I do like that one too. I'm trying to keep with the theme that I have going here in the colors I have. It's going to have to be trimmed. Do you like those Berries. And I am going to put the acorn too. So I like the acorn. The acorn right there. There. So this is what I've got for this week. Sorry, got that frame. What I'm going to do is, so today I do have a menu item. I'm going to be doing chili. We have our normal things for early release. At this point, so last week I was in my gratitude. I was thankful for my family, all of my family. I was thankful for my coworkers that, you know, we can laugh together and get through tough times. I was thankful for our fur babies that I have all of the fur babies that are in my life. I'm thankful for my home and the shelter that I have, and that, you know, I have enough. I'm thankful for my sons, my children, and they're just really good people. And then this, as I said before, I'm thankful for the food, the place that we have have the ability to grow it. I'm thankful for all of you and for your kindness, for that you even watched this little vlog. I'm so grateful that I can share it and that you like and enjoy it. So with that, please have a blessed week, and I will see you next week, and you can see how this page turns out, the rest of it, what else I do. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week.